Nexperia's NID1101 high-efficiency ideal diode, available from Mouser Electronics, is a low-voltage power path management device designed to replace Schottky diodes in low-voltage power systems. It provides forward and true reverse current blocking to protect downstream loads. The NID1101 integrates control circuitry that regulates a P-channel MOSFET to act as an ideal diode. When disabled, it blocks current flow in both directions. When enabled, it provides a very low forward voltage drop, typically 29 mV for a 3.6 volt input and 100 mA load current, while automatically blocking reverse current flow if the output voltage exceeds the input voltage. The device operates from a 1.5 to 5.5 volt input and supports an output from 0 to 5.5 volts with a continuous current capacity up to 1.5 amps. It's packaged in a 4-bump wafer-level chip-scale package that measures just 0.715 by 0.715 millimeters. Minimum external components include a 0.1 microfarad input capacitor and a 0.33 microfarad output capacitor, supporting compact board layouts. In low-power systems, Schottky diodes introduce power loss and reverse leakage. Designers also need to manage multiple supplies and protection against reverse current, inrush, and fault conditions without adding complexity. NID1101's forward and true reverse current blocking enables automatic transitions between power sources and power OR-ing configurations, such as the device that switches from USB power to a backup battery, and prevents reverse conduction when one source drops or is removed. It can also be used in power multiplexing or load switch configurations with a host controller controlling the enable pin input for different sources. The integrated control logic also supports slew rate control to manage inrush current during startup, while built-in short-circuit current limiting and thermal shutdown improve robustness and protect the system across the operating range of -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. NID1101 is used in smart wearables, USB-powered devices, battery-powered designs, dual supply systems, and other applications that benefit from replacing Schottky diodes with the NID1101's low leakage, forward and true reverse blocking, and compact WLCSP package. Nexperia's NID1101 high-efficiency ideal diode is available now on Mouser.com.